नमस्ते। मैत्री दिनस्य शुभाशयाः। मैत्री is the friendship. Snehaha is also friendship, and friendliness is very important in life. This shloka is beautifully saying what is sneha first. दर्शने स्पर्शने वापि श्रवणे भाषणे तथा यत्र द्रवति अंतरंगम सह स्नेहः इति कथ्यते. Darshane, in seeing, when we see others, it has to be a friendly look with lots of love and affection from heart. Sparshane, when we touch others and speak. Shravane, in listening to them. Bhashane, in speaking to them. Yatra dravati antarangam. Antaranga is the internal love and affection which is going to flow. It can flow through the eyes, through words, through touch, and by listening. This is called sneha. One who expresses this sneha is called a mitram, a friend. Who is a friend? This shloka says, Papan nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyani guhati gunan prakati karoti apadgatam na jahati dadati kale Sanmitra lakshanam idam pravadanti santaha. Papat nivarayati. One who stops you from committing sins. That is the foremost duty of a friend. Yojayate hitaya. And he gives advice and guides you into the right path. Guhyam niguhati. The secrets when said to friend are always remaining as secrets. When you ask him for the second time, do you remember the secret which I said to you? He will plainly say no. That is the greatness of true friendship. And not to threaten the other person knowing the secrets. Gunan prakati karoti. When a person has a small good quality, a true friend advertises it to all the world. My friend has this quality, like that he praises. Apadgatam na jahati. When there is a danger, he doesn't leave you and go. Dadati kale. He gives in the right time. Sanmitra lakshanam idam. This is the definition for a good friend. Pravadanti santaha. Noble people say so. And mitram priti rasayanam nayanayoho anandanam chetasaha. Patram yat sukha dukkhayoho saha bhaven mitrena tad durlabham. Ye cha anye suhrudaha samruddhi samaye dravya abhilasha akulaha te sarvatra milanti tattva nikasha grava tu tesham vipat. This shloka beautifully says the quality of the friendship. Mitram, the friend. Preeti rasayanam. Preeti is love and affection. Rasayanam, the chemical. He is a chemical made of preeti, love, affection. Nayanayoho anandanam. Nayanayoho, by the eyes, he gives ananda, happiness. Chetasaha, of the mind also. Patram sukha dukkhayoho. He is a vessel, a receptacle for all our sukha and dukkha. Saha together bhaven mitrena tad durlabham. It is rare to find such a friend. Ye cha anye suhridaha, all the other friends. Samriddhi samaye, the so-called friends, Samriddhi samaye, during prosperity, dravya abhilasha akulahate, they desire of the dravya, the materialistic help from a person. Sarvatra milanti, at all places they are found. Tattva nikasha gravatu tesham vipat, and it is truly a danger to find such people in our life. This is beautifully said in Mudurai of Avvaiyar, also in Tamil. Atra kulattu arunir paravai pol utrulit தீர்வார் உறவல்லர் அக்குளத்தில் கொட்டியும் ஆம்பலும் நெய்தலும் போலவே ஒட்டி உறவார் உறவு. During summer season, when the pond or the tank dries up, all the birds which were living there run away to another place in search of water and food. But the plants, the water plants like lily, lotus, etc., they die with the water and they wait for the right time. They support the tank, be with them. When the rain comes, they grow along with the water and raise their level. That is a true friendship, as said by Avvaiyar. Thiruvalluvar also says, who is a friend? உடுக்கை இழந்தவன் கைபோல் ஆங்கே இடுக்கண் களைவதாம் நட்பு. When there is a situation where the clothes from our body go away from us, even without we realizing it, the hands come and tie that clothes and make it proper. That is how the friendship should work out. And once again, I wish you all a very happy Friendship Day. How to get a good friend? There is a simple solution. Be one. Dhanyavadaha. Shubhamastu. Punar milamaha.